Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am doing another haul. I am doing my weekly haul where I show you what's new in my wardrobe. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I do 3 videos a week. I do a haul, a vlog and then a general ed video, and at the moment I'm doing loads of other videos like my ASOS sale haul because there's loads of sales on. So if there's any hauls you want me to do from sale sites, luxury or high street, then just let me know and I will happily oblige. I mean, if I have to do a Net-a-Porter sale, then I will do it for you guys, okay? So I have lots of clothes and accessories to show you this week. Loads of accessories actually. I have like 1, 2, 3, 4 bags and 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of shoes and 1, 2, 3 belts. Like, I don't think I've ever bought 3 belts in my life in a week. Like, I think that's the most amount of belts that I own. So yeah, this was a belty week, a belter of a week. So the first thing I want to show you is something that I was kindly sent from Auntie and Yang, and it is a really cute little bag. So it has got a detachable strap which you can add to the sides here and make it like a crossbody or just over the shoulder, and you can like lengthen and shorten the strap, and it's like the softest leather and I love the tan colour. I just really like the style of it. I think it's kind of different to what I've seen some other designers doing, and yeah, it's just a bit different to like what everyone else has got at the moment. So I really loved this bag. And then what I really love about it is that it's got this other strap here, so you can either chuck this in if you don't want it on display, or you can have it as an extra feature, or you can have it as the actual strap, and you literally just tie it together like this, and it turns into another strap, which is so cute. How cute is that? Have you seen any of the bags like that? I really like it, and it's just so soft. You can fit so much in here too. I just want to show you, and it's also got my initials on it. So you can see it's been stamped with my initials, which is so cute, and then you can get that as like a free personalisation service, and they also included the stamper for me, so if I want to personalise anything else then I can, which is super kind of them. So these bags are made from 100% leather. They have gold plated hardware, and the best thing about it is that Auntie and Yang do donate $1 for every bag sold to the ICRC, which is the International Committee for the Red Cross, which do amazing work. So buy yourself a bag and do some good. And I just wanted to say thank you to Auntie and Yang, not only for the beautiful bag, which BTW looks so cute for my outfit, but also for sponsoring this video very generously. So the next thing I want to show you is this dress that I got from Revolve, and it is so cute. I work with them as an ambassador, so I get gifted every month, which is so generous. And I love this dress. It's from the Major L collection. As I said in my last haul, if you didn't see it, I'll link it here. They are now shipping to the UK. Free shipping on orders over £70. It's 3-day shipping and it's free returns. So amazing. And this is like the perfect summer dress, honestly. I love it so much, and it's not too fitted. It's just like comfortable. I love it. And then I want to show you another bag, and this is actually a wash bag. But I just think it's really cute. Like, I actually wear this. Like, could I wear this as a handbag? Could I get away with it? I don't know. But I just think it's so cute. It's from Elizabeth Scarlett. She does the most beautiful hand embroidered pieces. Like, honestly, how gorgeous is this? And yeah, I just think it's so nice, and it's huge, so like the perfect size for a wash bag, but also like a handbag. I mean, I think people are using basket bags and things. I can walk around in a wash bag if I want, and it just looks really cute with this dress. So another thing I want to show you that I got from Revolve is this top, which is beautiful. They have in a few different prints and things, but it's so soft. It's got this like billowing sleeves, and I love the deep V and the fact that it just knots here. I think it's so sexy, but like because it's covered up everywhere else, it doesn't feel like too OTT. I think it looks so nice with like white jeans in the summer. And I just got rid of blue jeans, which I wasn't sure if it would go, but I actually really like it. And can we just appreciate that these two are like a match made in heaven. So I have another top to show you. This one is from Pretty Little Thing. I ordered this like on a late night shopping spree. I just literally fell in love with like the satin and the drawstrings. So you can, I've drawed it up, drawed the drawstring up, and then I just like undraw the drawstring so you can see. So you can have it like plain Jane, scrunchy, or like just an in-between. I like it tucked in too. I think it looks really nice. I just really like the effect of it, and I thought with a chunky cardigan, you know the score, that's what I go for. Oh, I'm a poet, I didn't know it. And yeah, I just really like the colour. Pink is my thing. And I just thought it was really nice. Oh, it's got something on it though. Oh, it's got like a sticker on it. It's gone. Then I also got from Pretty Little Thing a belt. I'm not gonna lie, I felt like the only person on earth who didn't have a chain belt. And I really like this one because it's like, it's not too hangy. Like, I got another one from ASOS which I really liked, but I just haven't worn it because I think it just felt a bit too gangster for me. Felt a bit too G. I'm not G in what way whatsoever. Anyway whatsoever. Like, the fact that I'm even saying that means I'm not G. And like, I'm still turning around wearing a t-shirt like I can't be G. So yeah, just not me. I'm not G. I'm a poet, I didn't know it. Literally need to stop saying that. Anyway, moving on. I really like this belt. I like the fact it doesn't hang too much. It's like jewellery, but in the middle of your body. I like it. I'm going with it. And I think it looked really nice with like some dress too. Can't get this bloody tag off. I've literally tried. And I've lost the scissors. So Jack's going to have to do that when he gets home. But I didn't want to wait to film it. And so I just wanted to show you what was the thing on. But I just really like it. And I've seen people wear it with t-shirt dresses and stuff. Like in the middle. It's really cool. So... and like summer dresses, that's the vibe I'm going for. Then the last thing I got from Pretty Little Thing was this little crop top. I actually did a shoot with Collect Plus, and this was for the shoot, and they let me keep it because I fell in love with it. So how cute is it? I think it's so perfect for summer with like denim shorts, but I do like it with jeans too. Like imagine it like for an evening drink, jeans, heels, you're good to go. And I just love anything off shoulders. Like, you guys know that I'm obsessive off shoulder, and normally I feel like this is a bit revealing, and it is really cropped, but for some reason I don't feel uncomfortable in it. Don't feel like I'm going to slip out. Not that that is like a worry of mine anyway. You have to have something to slip out, but I just really like it. I think it's a really nice little crop, perfect for summer and really easy to wear. So I have two things from New Look that I want to show you, and I thought I'd wear them together because they look so cute together. This is a longer skirt, so I'll pan down, do a little sideway action, show you what it looks like. But this top, first of all, I think it was under like £15. It's so cheap. Like, I'm pretty sure that like 90% of everything in New Look is like under £20 now. So I don't know if that's like a strategy they're going with, but like everything's so affordable in there now, and like the quality hasn't been lost. So really, like, I just think it's really good. And this top, if you can see, has got like broderie and glaze, and it's like that kind of, I think it's called seersucker material. And yeah, very cute. And then I've got this denim skirt. Let me pan down. So I've got this denim skirt which is kind of like just past knee length, but I like to undo a couple of buttons, get a little leg out, and I really like it with this top too. And I do like midi skirts, but I always feel like they're a bit frumpy on me. I don't know if it's just because I'm a slut or just because I'm used to wearing short skirts and getting my legs out. I feel like my legs are my best feature. Like, I haven't got boobs, but I have got legs. So I like to wear mini skirts, but now I can wear mini skirts and still be a bit of a slither. But yeah, I really like this one, and it's from New Look. And my sister was really shocked. She asked where it was from, and she was really shocked that it was New Look because, again, the quality is so nice. Like, the attention to detail, like the buttons are really nice. Like, I think they're called horn buttons, and the white denim is not like bleach white, it's like a kind of off-white, which is so much nicer. So this whole outfit is from Verge Girl. I love Verge Girl. I work with them. So twice a month they send me 2 outfits. So I do an outfit a week, it works out at, but I literally get to pick, so it's like, and they do the nicest clothes. Like, I always find it crazy this is my job, because I'm like, yeah, I work with a lot of brands, but like, I work with Verge Girl, they say pick these outfits. Like, I work with New Look, I get to pick the outfits. Like, it's always very natural. So like, when you see influencers working with people, you should always know that like, they would not do something if someone said, you have to wear that top, because like, unless it's a top they love, like, they're not going to do it. It has to be something that they actually like. So yeah, anyway, ran over. But I just wanted to show you this outfit on, because this is how I'm planning to shoot it, and I love it. I love this top, I'm obsessed. I've carefully placed this ruffle like over my little titties, but I don't know if you can still see them. But yeah, anyway, I hope you can't, else I'm gonna have to like do some editing. I don't know how, but I've got this like belt on too, and then these like really cute knitted shorts, and I love this as an outfit. It kind of looks like a play suit, but like, I love the textures together. Love the belt. Like, I wasn't sure if the belt would go. Like, when I ordered it I was like, this will look really cool, and then it came and I was like, oh, not sure. Looks great. Great one, Sinead. You made a great decision. And because this outfit will look really cute with this, I also want to show you my bag, which is new. I got it from Bicester Village this week. I was going to wait to show you it in my vlogs, but you will see like the shopping process in the vlog and like the unboxing. But yeah, I just wanted to show you it because it's so cute. I love it so much. It's like a khaki colour, and it was £652. And just to be like completely upfront with you, they did give me a voucher. They gave me a voucher to buy a dress for an event, and literally, like, me being me, I went to Chloe first, saw this, spent the entire voucher, and then was like, guess I'm using my own money for the dress then. But I got an amazing dress from Diane von Furstenberg, and you will see it in my vlog. I'm not going to show you that one because that's like the main thing, so like make sure you watch my vlog if you want to see that. So next I want to show you this dress that I got from Other Stories. First of all, let's just appreciate pockets. Pockets are good. It was a really hot day yesterday, and I wore it to Bicester Village. I'll put a picture of me wearing, actually. And I got so many compliments on it from like people there. My sister said she wishes she bought it, which I always think is a huge compliment. And I also got loads of compliments on my Instagram. Like, everyone was like, where's your dress from? And I just was like, I really liked it, but you know when you get something here, it's not what I pictured it as. Is it a bit blah? So when I first put it on, I was a bit like, not feeling myself. Now, totally feeling myself. It's got this like 3/4 length sleeves. It is like on the website, someone's literally styled it like that, high neck. But I just was like, just unbutton, maybe just even one more. Maybe just like, let's just unbutton it right down to the belly button. And I love it. And the pockets, and just like, I love a dress with pockets. And the print, and it comes in quite a few different other prints, which is, different prints, which is a really good thing, because it's a really good dress. And I really like it. So I also got this from Other Stories, which I love. Honestly, when I first put it on, I was a bit like, does this fit? But it's definitely like how it's meant to be with all the ruching. And then it's got this really nice shoulder detail, like cap sleeves with like tie. I guess you could like untie them and make them longer if you wanted. I don't know if it's just detail. And it's kind of got like a big round neck and a scoop back detail, and I really love it. I really love the shade of red. It's like a kind of scarlet. I don't know if these are hearts or like little birds or leaves. It's very cute. I love it a lot. I've worn it already, and I'm gonna keep wearing it. I think it's just like a really good kind of go-to top, if you know what I mean. Like, nice top and jeans from Hill, like match it with black jeans or white jeans or blue jeans, as you see here. I just think you can wear it so many different ways. With like skirts, I wore it the other day actually with this new look skirt. I'll put a picture in. It looks very cute. So another top, I got this one from Mango, and it's kind of like knitted material. It's a cami. I keep seeing Lorna from Lorna Luxe wear it all the time. It looks so nice on her, so I eventually decided that I was just going to buy it, and then I looked and it was $19.99, and I was like, why have I waited this long? It's ridiculous. But it's just like really simple. V at the back, V at the front, really nice kind of like oatmeal colour, I think you call it. And it's just like, it's not super long, which I was hoping for, and I did get it in a medium because I wanted it to be oversized because it looks really big on her. Maybe I'm just way bigger than her, but I think if you like pull it like that and like chuck it, it gives that like kind of loose effect. Or maybe I should exchange it, I don't know. I did wait ages for postage, so I kind of am like, can I be bothered to go through that again? I think it does like this, but maybe I should. I don't know. So then I wanted to show you this belt that I got from Mango. I really love it. I put on the dress that I wore at the beginning again because I thought this is how I'd probably wear it. Like a white summer dress. It's so cool. It's so similar to the Cult Gaia one. I'll put a picture of the Cult Gaia one in here. And I went to look at the Cult Gaia one because this one was out of stock, and it's only $19.99, but that's how much I wanted it. And the Cult Gaia one is actually not as nice because, I'll tell you why. Firstly, it's bigger, so like if you prefer bigger and like more dramatic, that's fine. This one's probably more wearable. And also this one's like natural here, whereas the Cult Gaia one had white leather, and I actually prefer that this is like natural all the way around. But I think this would look really cool. I think as well, like with an oversized shirt dress or like t-shirt dress, I think definitely with dresses is how I would wear it. But I really love this. And before I get onto shoes, I have one more bag that I want to show you, and it's this one, which is from Elme, and it's a Parisian handbag designer. So there's lots of different ways you can wear it. So first of all, it has like the gold strap. This is a mini one, and they have a few different sizes, so I'll link like below the website so you can have a look. So you can wear it like this, or you can undo the like magnetic bit and make it into like a little kind of like a square box bag. And let me just show you. I haven't had to play around yet, but like this. So this is how a lot of people have been wearing it, she said. And then also you can clip, there's like a clip on the inside here. So you can like clip that, and you can wear it again like that, or you can clip it in again and make it like a little cute grab bag, and I think that's definitely how I'll wear it. And let me show you as well, how cute would it look with just a little scarf on it. Like, so cute. That is adorable. And honestly, they're so comfortable, it's just unreal. So these are the first pair of shoes I got. They are quite small because for some reason they didn't sell them in a size 8, so I got a size 7, but I feel like they literally just fit. Like, I probably couldn't get away with it if they were any smaller, but they're so comfortable. I literally adore them. And they're 100% leather, and they were from New Look, and I think they're around £40, which is really good for a pair of leather sandals. And they're majorly on trend, like high Celine vibes. So yeah, I love these. So much so that I also got them in black. So yes, I am the girl that gets a pair of shoes in 2 different colours. But in my defence, I do get a voucher from New Look every month. So technically, it doesn't count. But yeah, I really love these, and I just think they're so comfortable, they're so timeless, so I just was like, I have to get them in both colours. I cannot decide. Then I got another pair of sandals. These are a love or a hate. My boyfriend literally despises these, but I think they're really cool. They are so comfortable. They're from, I think the brand is Nomadic State of Mind. They are really cool. I saw Carlisle Vintage wearing them all last year, and I really wanted a pair. I didn't know where they were from. And then I got these ones that actually sell them at other stores, but honestly they're not that expensive. So I know like Topshop and stuff do dupes of them, but the original ones are only around £60 I think, or 70, but they're not outrageously expensive compared to like what you would expect for a kind of like cult item. So yeah, I love these. So, and they have 2 different styles too, and they have black I think too. And finally I have these trainers, which I love. They're from Nubic, and I got them as part of a collaboration to promote this style of trainers. They have them in a few different colours. They have them in white with the black tops, and they have them in all white. They have them in a few different styles, but I really love the red because I love the pink clash. And I don't have any red trainers, but I've got a million pairs of white trainers. And I really love the detail at the back too. I think it looks super designer. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you liked it. Let me know what you think of all the pieces that I got in this week. Let me know what your favourite one is. And if you watch to the end, I always love to do a little game so I know who watches to the end, who like my best subscribers are. So make sure you leave a comment about lemons, and then I will know that you watched it to the end. Or even leave me a little lemon emoji if you want. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I hope that you like this. Don't forget to watch my haul video from this ASOS sales, because I think you'll enjoy that. And also if there's any other sales that you want me to do hauls of in, just let me know, and I will see you next time. Bye!
Darling, you send